What's up, you guys? OperationGamer here, and welcome back to the episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. This series has kind of been on hiatus for a while, but I know maybe not a lot of you guys enjoy this series, but you know what? I just want to get this done, and so we can move on to bigger and better things. And I finally got some stuff with my console gaming working, so hopefully this will be good until I get enough equipment. But anyway, let's continue. I do have in case my audio runs out again, I do have the audio running on the TV too. So if you guys hear some kind of background noise, you'll know what it is. Sorry. I need to get used to playing this. I don't completely know. I don't completely remember. Hold on. Don't know if we're supposed to be here quite yet, because I don't know exactly what to do. How am I doing on ammunition?
I got some great bargains for you today. Oh, that's a nice one.
Okay. Maxed out. The Visi bomb gun. That's actually going to be useful later on. Alright. I was just buying that. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so used to pressing circle to go back.
Hey, you two are the first friendly faces I've seen in weeks. You are friendly, aren't you?
To you, yes. To him, no.
Well, friend, have I got a deal for you? Since the Blarg began dumping their toxic sludge into our ocean, the wildlife has,
Become ravenous mutants?
yeah, you could say that. All my customers either left or became lunch. So, I'm closing the place down.
Sorry.
However, I just so happen to have one, count 'em one, O2 mask left.
How much?
It's not for sale.
But you said
I said I had a deal, and indeed I do. You boys get rid of those Blarg ships, and it's yours. Just escort me to the other end of this resort, and you can use our jet fighter.
Jet fighter, eh? All right. But you better not try to stiff us.
Okay then. So now we have a jet fighter to use. So we have to escort him. I'll take your hand and then we will carefully walk across the dance floor. What's up? Oh crap. Oh, I'm already. Oh yeah, start off the series with that much nanotech. Why do I have the? This is actually one of my least favorite parts. Not levels. I mean, I enjoy the level. I've been playing Uncharted. I'm so used to R1 being where you fire it. There we go. Die! Oh, look at that. Okay. Wait a second. I thought that was nanotech. That sucks. I'll agree with you. Ratchet and Clank 1 is not one of my favorite LPs. It's not one of my favorite games. I mean, it does involve the classics, I'll admit. It shows the whole storyline. I mean, I like the game. It's not as adventurous as the other ones, but you take what you can get. There's gotta be some sort of nanotech around here. That's the other thing I don't like about this game is the health system. That's how you do it. Alright. I'm still trying to get used to playing this. You should sell nanotech in the vendor. I don't know why you don't. Intergalactic boxing match. Damn it! I used
I
blaster
got some
ammo.
great bargains for you today.
Ugh, I hate this part. Bless you, Jace. Alright, here we go. Round 1? No, round 2, actually. That's actually really effective. Why didn't I use that in the first place? What the hell? Oh, come on. It kills that guy in one shot? This is my new favorite weapon. This place is supposed to be a happy place. I have played this game all for a hell of a long time, and I never knew you could just use the Walloper and it'd be easy. No, come on! And I still die anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter either way. Round 3. Ow! Ow! Let's go. Let's go, bro. Uh-oh. Hey, get over here. Sorry, give me a second. I'm probably gonna cut this out, but... Okay, here we go. Bring it. Don't let too many get on the ship. I must confess. Go. Go. No. No. Stupid. This whole thing is stupid. Ugh. Is there any other weapon that I could use that could be better use? Holy crap. Let's go. Ah! Oh. Son, no. I'm starting to give up. This is absolute bullcrap. I could try the bomb glove. See how this works out. Why would you let these things on the island? Sorry. Alright. Sorry. Die. Ow! No! Bad! I'm leaving. I'm pacing. bolts do I have? I can't shoot from the water, can I? There we go. Oh no. No, 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 no. Uh-uh. All that trouble. And you only give me 1 nanotech? Are you high? Ow! And I do it again! And you send me all the way back here! Are you stupid?
Hi there, Fuzzball.
And I'm left with 2 bolts. Alright, this is gonna come in real handy. Here we go. Ow! Nope. This is not working out. I don't get it. Screw. Are you freaking serious? These things are a pain! And they just gain up on you. Ugh. Hello, you guys. Welcome to another episode of Rage Games. I wish there was like a pause like in the other games. Son of I'm tired of this.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Okay.
So, you gonna buy something or what?
How about I just quit? Alright, I need to reorganize my quick select. So obviously none of this crap is... Really? These guys fit inside the barrel? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I could have done that the whole time. sorry. I'm sorry. My friend is trying to talk to my friend. I'm kind of in the middle of a recording. Sorry. Get over here. Oh. There. Let's get farther now. And get this. Alright. Here you go, you little fuzzballs. Dang it. Oh, well then. Dumbass. Okay. Alright. I hate to Sorry guys. Alright. My friend's just going through some tough times right now. But okay. There we go. That was easy. Okay. Sorry, I probably spent a lot of time talking to my friend. Alright. Alright. Anyway. Back to the task at hand. Alright. Looks like we got a little freaking serious. Alright. Oh good, it gave me another nanotech thing. But I only have 2. We'll come back for all those metal detectors later. Alright, here we go. This suck cannon would have come in handy a long time ago. Jesus. Fuckers are annoying. Up and here, little fishies. Well then. Oh my god! It's an infestation! No! Oh my god. Thank God. Thank God. Let's go. Sorry. It's fine. Anyway, sorry. Alright, this time, we're gonna beat it, we're gonna conquer, we're gonna kick some butt, and that was weird. That was weird how I said it. We're gonna kick some major fish ass, and then that's how it's gonna go. Holy crap. Taste this, fish sucker. What? Hilarious. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my brother Jace is actually here. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be brutal, but they deserve it. Die. It only killed one of them. To continue.
We're here. Now where's that fighter?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourist, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at his Robo Shack. He knows about these locks.
Oh, great. Anyway. Weird physics.
Well, what have we got here? Hey, watch it. I recognize that work. Y'all been to Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, if you want some real hardware, I can fix this little feller up with a thruster pack. Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh? Well, it sure as heck will. It's got a real special power slam move built right in.
It's a good thing I need this to get to that jet, or you'd be out of luck, pal.
I need 2,000? I'm just tired of always getting bolts. I need 500 more bolts. Maybe some guys over here respawn. I'm gonna put myself out of my misery. Okay then.
Cause now it seems